In 2026, corded electric lawnmowers are making a strong comeback for homeowners who value consistent power, low maintenance, and zero emissions without the hassle of batteries or fuel. These machines are no longer basic tools. Modern models now deliver impressive cutting performance, precise height adjustments, and quieter operation, making them ideal for small to medium-sized yards. In this ranking, we break down the top 5 corded lawnmowers that strike the best balance between power, build quality, and real-world usability, without the marketing fluff, just honest performance.
At first glance, the DOVAMAN LA16M looks like a budget-friendly entry point into corded mowing, but under the hood it delivers a surprisingly balanced performance. The 13-amp motor spins the steel blade up to 3,500 RPM, which is more than enough for small to medium lawns. It handles regular grass confidently, and even slightly overgrown or damp patches don't immediately choke the motor, though pushing it too hard still reveals its limits. The 16-inch cutting deck keeps maneuverability high, especially in tighter garden layouts, but it also means more passes on larger areas. What stands out here is usability. The single-lever height adjustment system with 5 positions is quick and practical. No need to mess with each wheel individually. The mower also scores points for its 98% claimed collection efficiency, thanks to optimized airflow in a 13.2-gallon bag with a fill indicator. In real-world use, it does reduce cleanup time noticeably. Add to that a lightweight body under 29 pounds, foldable handle with vertical storage, and adjustable grip height, and you get a machine clearly designed for convenience rather than raw power. The trade-off is obvious. This is not a heavy-duty solution, but for compact yards and regular maintenance, it hits a very reasonable sweet spot.
The LawnMaster MEB1216K sits right in that sweet spot where simplicity meets real-world efficiency. On paper, it's slightly less powerful than some 13-amp competitors, but the 3,500 RPM blade speed keeps cutting performance surprisingly consistent on regularly maintained lawns. It handles standard grass without drama, though in thicker or wet conditions you'll notice it needs a slower pace to avoid losing momentum. The 16-inch cutting width again prioritizes control over coverage, making it a better fit for smaller yards or areas with obstacles rather than wide-open spaces. Where this model earns its position is balance. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and doesn't feel tiring even after longer sessions. The 5-position height adjustment from 1.4 to 3 inches is straightforward, though not as refined as premium single-lever systems. The 8-gallon collection bag is noticeably smaller than some rivals, so it fills up faster, a small but real downside in practice. On the flip side, the larger rear wheels improve maneuverability, especially on uneven ground, and the compact folding design makes storage effortless. This isn't a powerhouse, but it's a reliable, no-nonsense mower that does exactly what most homeowners actually need. Nothing more, nothing less.
Bronze territory, and this is where things start getting serious. The BLACK+DECKER MEW1216 confidently takes 3rd place, stepping out of the light-duty category and into something much closer to a full-fledged lawn tool. The jump to a 20-inch cutting deck changes the whole experience. Fewer passes, faster coverage, and a noticeably more efficient workflow on medium-sized lawns. Pair that with a 13-amp motor and you get enough power to handle thicker grass and slightly neglected areas without constantly worrying about stalling. There's also more engineering behind the cut itself. The winged blade isn't just a marketing detail. It improves airflow, lifts the grass better, and results in cleaner, more consistent collection. You'll see it in the bag fill and in the finish of the lawn. Add to that a 6-position height adjustment system ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches, and this mower adapts easily to different seasons and grass types. The push-button start and ergonomic handle make everyday use straightforward with no friction in the process. Of course, stepping up in size and power means sacrificing some agility. It's not as nimble in tight corners, and maneuvering around obstacles takes a bit more effort compared to compact models. But that's the trade-off, and for many users, it's absolutely worth it. This is the kind of mower you choose when your lawn is no longer small and easy, and you need something that works faster, cuts cleaner, and feels like a real upgrade rather than just another basic tool. Silver position, and this is where corded mowers hit that near-perfect balance between power, coverage, and versatility. The CRAFTSMAN MEB1216K lands in second place, not by accident. It refines everything we saw earlier and makes it more practical in real-world use. The 20-inch deck paired with a 13-amp motor delivers confident, steady performance, even when the grass gets dense or slightly overgrown. It doesn't feel like it's working at the limit. There's a bit of zapospo motionist, and that matters when conditions aren't ideal. What really pushes it ahead is flexibility. This isn't just a mower, it's a 3-in-1 system with mulching, bagging, and side discharge. That means you're not locked into one workflow. Early season cleanup, mid-season maintenance, or just quick mowing without collecting, it adapts. The improved high-efficiency blade also does its job quietly but effectively, giving a cleaner cut and better distribution when mulching. The single lever height adjustment with a 1.5 to 4-inch range keeps things simple, and ergonomics are clearly thought through. It's relatively lightweight for its size, which makes handling easier than you'd expect from a 20-inch machine. That said, it's still not a compact mower. Tight corners and complex yard layouts will remind you of its size, and like all corded models, cable management never fully disappears. But overall, this is a very complete mower. Not flashy, not over-engineered, just a well-balanced machine that covers almost every typical homeowner scenario. And that's exactly why it stops just one step short of the top.
Gold level. And this one earns first place not with flashy specs, but with the kind of balance that actually matters in real use. The Yard Force YF1518-3N1 feels like a step above typical corded mowers the moment you start working with it. The key difference is the metal deck, something you rarely see in this category. It adds durability, stability, and a more afferent Shushania during mowing, especially on uneven ground. This isn't just a lightweight plastic tool, it feels solid, almost gas mower-like in behavior. The cutting performance backs that up. The motor delivers consistent power, and combined with the 19-inch deck, it strikes a very smart balance between coverage and maneuverability. It's wide enough to work efficiently, but not oversized to the point where handling becomes a problem. The 7-position central height adjustment from 1 to 3 inches lets you dial in the exact cut depending on season and grass condition. Then there's practicality. Large 12-inch rear wheels improve stability and make it easier to push over uneven terrain, while the 14-gallon grass bag reduces how often you need to stop. And just like a top-tier all-arounder should do, it offers full 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, or side discharge, depending on what the lawn needs at the moment. It's not the lightest mower, and you will feel that weight during longer sessions, but that weight comes from build quality, not inefficiency. And that's exactly why it takes the top spot, not because it's the most powerful on paper, but because it's the most complete, durable, and real udobny variant for the majority of tasks without overcomplicating the experience.
That's the lineup, from compact budget options to a truly solid all-rounder at the top. In 2026, corded lawnmowers prove one simple point: stable power, low cost, and zero battery hassle still make a lot of sense. If you've got a small to medium yard and don't want to deal with fuel or charging cycles, this category is still one of the smartest choices you can make.